Good day, everyone. Welcome to today's F.O.M.C live trading session. We're meant to have started this session by 6:30, but I'm just coming in right now. So I'll be sharing my screen shortly while we go through the F.O.M.C charts, which has to do with dollar. So my screen is currently loading. Okay. So let me share my screen. Okay. I'm sharing my screen right now, guys. Okay. So the FOMC is the federal interest rate decision by the Federal Reserve Bank of the United States of America. And this interest rate is going to be announced by 7 p.m. West African time. And when it is announced, we can expect dollar to be weak or dollar to gain some strength. I'm coming. Let me show you the chart. Okay, so currently the interest rate is 5.5%. The interest rate is 5.5%, and for a very long time, the interest rate has remained on Okay, sorry for the break in network transmission. I'm back. Network is not really strong over here. But let me share my screen so we dive into it. In few minutes to go, but this chart is not loading properly. I don't know why. This chart is not loading properly. So in few minutes to go, we're trying to know what the F.O.M.C decision is going to be. If they keep the interest rate change, the dollar might gain some strength. Okay. Okay, the left interest rate unchanged. So I'm expecting dollar to lose strength, but it's gaining strength instead. Let's see what GBP US is doing. The left interest rate unchanged. So it is likely to be a good pair. 20 pips stop loss, and this is dollar, this is DXY, the strength of dollar. So GBP is likely a good pair. You can see the market is going down. But I think this is coming to work as a retest. But based on what I can see, the, the dollar is gaining some strength. The press conference in few minutes time. So this is the currency strength meter right now. The weakest currency is AUD against the dollar. Okay, it's gaining some ground against GBP, Euro, and AUD. Why card? It is weak against card, against JPY, against NZD. As market is moving up, how about dollar card? The market is moving up as well for dollar card. I see a sell limit opportunity on USD card. But for now, I can see dollar is gaining some ground. Dollar is gaining ground against JPY. Dollar is gaining over here, also a test over here. This is what I see for USD JPY. I see USD JPY dollar to retest here and then continue for the then for USD card, it has a for USD card, I see the market coming into this resistance, grabbing liquidity and dropping further down. Just like I see for USD card. Then USD CHF, the dollar is gaining some ground. Over here, this is a massive area of support, form double bottom.
My baby, my baby.
Hello, so for USD CHF, I see there is a high chance of the market moving more to the upside. We have a change of character already. The dollar is gaining some ground. Um, so I expect USCHF to gain some strength and move more up. The dollar to gain more strength and move more up. This is the Judas swing, this is the change of character. So if I should look for the cause of this trade, okay, cause of this trade is over here. And the market could go more down to activate that trade and move up. That's what I see for ESCHF because I also see a fair value gap. Either it uses the fair value gap, but there is high chances the market will still go more down into this zone. So this is what I see for CHF. This is a 20 pips stop loss, 60 pips take profits for USD CHF. But let's remember the CHF is stronger than the dollar currently. It's loading. Let's load the chart. The okay, so out of the strongest currently, the CHF is loading. Okay, so the dollar is gaining strength, and the weakest currency is AUD. So if you are to pair, it would be best to pair AUD USD for a sell. But the structure, we also need to pair with structure. So for USD CHF, I already said what I have seen here. It is currently leaving a demand zone. Okay, CHF is currently leaving a demand zone. So I expect market to move down, activate from here, and then move up. That's what I see for USD CHF. Okay, 20 pips stop loss and 60 pips take profit. It's going to come back to this fair value gap. There's a fair value gap here. It's going to come back there, full efficiency, and then start moving more up. So in the next 15 minutes, we have the meeting going on. Let's see what AUD USD is doing. Let's see the structure on AUD USD. We had a massive news today in the morning by 2 a.m. And this was the news. It happened over here, creating a gap. Okay, it created a gap. So AED came back to retest this particular demand zone and turned it into what, a supply zone instead. So the last green candle before that was this candle. Okay, so shorting AUD against the dollar is a good pair to short. AUD against the dollar is a good pair to short. Because that's if you check the 15 minutes, this is the last green candle, blue candle. So and we have a change of character. So if you can short AUD against the dollar, is a good pair. You short AUD against the dollar, put the stop loss above here, which around 20 pip stop loss. Okay, to be on the safer side because AUD. Okay, yeah. Do it 40 pips, take profits. 40 pips. AUD USD 40 pips, 20 pips stop loss, 40 pips take profit. It came back into the order block to fulfill efficiency, respected there, and then we're expecting it to continue going to the downside. There is we'll be taking this low. This is low, our target for the drop. And AUD is the weakest currency right now, and dollar is gaining some strength against every other currency. So apply proper risk management, guys. Apply proper risk management. Apply proper risk management, guys. AUD USD for the sell. can see dollar gaining grounds against every other currency. I see that DXY has formed a reversal pattern and a change of character from bearish trend to bullish trend. Okay, so this change of character now can lead the pair towards this resistance within here before we can now see another drop. So in about 6 minutes time, the meeting press conference will start, and that's when the main liquidity will come into the market. Over you can say UD is still the weakest currency. Dollar is gaining grounds against every other currency: JPY, NZD, CAD, and CHF. So I'm pairing AUD against dollar, which is gaining ground, so that we can sell. So that's what I did. So basically, I see that uh, GBP is inside a very massive area of supply, and from there it can easily drop down towards this demand level. I'll be more interested to start buying GBP when it comes to this demand level. Why AUD already broke an area of demand and turned it into an area of supply. So for me and I can anticipate AUD to start dropping downwards towards this daily demand and validation point. So in about 3 minutes time, the press conference will be released and we then see massive volatility into the market. Remember, we have a change of character on DXY on the 15 minutes time frame and also on the 5 minutes time frame, which the market can still respect to maintain this uptrend. This is more like a corrective structure. Yeah, when it gets to this resistance point or this supply zone, then I'll be off. The left interest rate unchanged. The FOMC news, the left interest rate unchanged. And from the past data, when they leave interest rate unchanged, the dollar can either be strong or be weak. As at for today, we see that dollar was weak, but as soon as the interest rate news was released, there was what a bullish momentum in dollar DXY by on the right hand side. So there is a corrective structure towards this supply zone. Okay, once it gets towards supply zone, then you can now start expecting dollar to be weak. But I'm expecting dollar to head towards the supply zone. Okay, so when this press conference happens in few seconds time, there could be some massive volume in dollar to either push it more or a reverse the direction and push it in a few minutes, few seconds. The press conference is coming in a few seconds. It's meant to start by 7:30. And I chose AED USD for itself because AED is the weakest currency. So the press conference has started. We'll be expecting massive volume into the market shortly. Welcome, welcome, road to run. Welcome. Let's see what gold is doing. Gold broke an area of supply and is gradually turning it into an area of demand. Okay, so currently we're analyzing AUD USD because AUD USD is the weakest currency. So we took AUD USD for itself. Why we chose AUD USD? Because earlier today AUD had CPI and the CPI was not good, so it made the AUD to be weak. So currently we're just aiming at AUD USD because of we see that there's a massive resistance over here and AUD has respected it. So from here now we can anticipate more drop on AUD USD because of the weakness on AUD. Short, short. Okay, so if you want to learn how to start forex trading, you can visit our website www.tennisdigitallane.com, or the link is going to be on the description. Just click on our link on the description. You're going to see our link tree. So that link tree, now you can visit that link tree and be able to gain access to our materials, whereby you can meet me on WhatsApp, on Telegram, on YouTube, on Facebook. Just reach out to me, and then I'll be able to guide you through the process of how to join and learn how to start trading. Okay, so I think the market is about to change direction, and dollar is losing some strength. It came back into this origin. ADUS came back into this origin, and we have a 5 minutes change of character. If this kind of closes as a change of character, likely going to close that AUD trade for itself. I see the dollar is trying to lose some strength and wants to start dropping from this area. Dollar wants to do something and wants to start dropping from this area. So that's what I think dollar wants to do. And if that happens, that means we have to change our direction and our bias for itself. Thank you for your encouragement. Thank you for encouraging me. One day I'll be successful in YouTube channel. I have a goal to be aiming 6 figures from my YouTube. So how much I make daily from trading, it varies. It varies from depending on the account I am managing, because currently I manage accounts for investors. I offer account management services whereby investors can be able to just fund their broker account, and I'll be able to handle the risk of placing trades on this account. So I manage accounts, and the amount I make varies from $10 up to $1,000. Which exchange is best? The exchange I use to trade FM. That's the broker I use. It's a broker, not really an exchange. So guys, I'll be closing out on the AUD USD trade right now. I see the dollar is changing some direction. So the let's go for some buys instead. If you want to buy, we're going for a different pair. We're going for a different pair. So let's check the currency strength meter. The strongest currency right now is JPY and NZD, then USD card. JPY and NZD, then USD card. So I will be more comfortable to go for USD card because I see a structure that I recognize, and I understand very well. So for USD card, the market broke structure but has not returned to origin. So it's more like a sell limit order for USD card. It's not an instant execution. It's a sell limit order whereby we are risking 20, let's make it 20 pips. If you want some giveaway, you need to join my community on WhatsApp. If you want some giveaway, you need to join my community on WhatsApp, and then you can be able to aim the giveaway we are currently offering. The link to my community on WhatsApp is on the description. Okay, I'm currently in West Africa. I'm currently in West Africa, Nigeria, West Africa. That's the country where I belong. Join our community on WhatsApp if you want the $10 giveaway. Join our community on WhatsApp. Terms and conditions applied. Link is on the description. sell limit order on USD card. I'll be dropping this signal for everyone in our community. Sell limit order for USD card. 20 pips stop loss and 60 pips take profit. We have a change of character on AUD 5 minutes time frame. And market is moving up massively, AUD USD. Another pair you can consider is gold. You can consider buying gold. But you need to give it at least 100 pips. Going for 150 pips. So I see DXY is currently respecting this supply zone and wants to continue the drop. But I expected it earlier on to come back towards this. So, but the chart I'll be more interested in is USD card for it to come back to this order block and then sell continues from there. That's what I see for. The link to the WhatsApp is on the description. Check the description. The link tree. Just click on the link tree. Once you click on the link tree, it's going to show you both my WhatsApp, my Telegram, my TikTok, my Facebook, Twitter handles. Everything is there. Just go to the link on the link tree. Click the link on the link tree, and then you'll be able to get access to me. Yeah, congratulations, you're my first viewer. Thank you so much for participating in this live stream. So this is our final signal. There's a change of direction for dollar. So we're selling USD card, sell limit order. Have a wonderful week.